Good morning, everybody. Jeff here, and welcome back to the channel again. Hey, I wanted to give you some updates on some pretty decent deals here on DeWalt here, because once again they're doing a special buy of the day with certain select DeWalt kits. Now, some of these are good deals and some of them are not, but I wanted to point out to you here some of the better ones that I found here. So we're going to take a look at them. And it's pretty funny that Home Depot actually made a liar out of me, because if you saw my live stream the other night from Home Depot on Saturday night, I showed you this particular kit that you see right here on the right side of the screen. Let's click on it and take a look at it. So this is that 20 volt max lithium ion cordless brushless kit here, with the impact driver here on the left and the hammer drill on the right. So on the right, this is the DCD 996 here. And then the impact driver here is the 887, and this kit comes with, of course, my preferred charger. This is the charger I think you should always try to get when you get a kit. And then this here is their fast charger. So this will charge these bigger flex volt batteries in about an hour. They're pretty incredible. I really like these chargers. So anyway, when I was standing there in the store, I showed you this kit, and it was $3.99 in there, and I said, that's it. You know, Home Depot never really drops at the price that much on this. And then sure enough, they made a liar out of me, because here we are first thing Monday morning. They must have heard me, because they dropped the price now down to $279 and is now 53% off. Now, of course, they're saying 53% off of $589. That's a joke, because we all know that they never ever charge $589 for this. This kit has been $389 as far as I can remember. I bought this kit 3 years ago. This exact same kit with these two here, this impact driver, this drill driver, with these two batteries that it comes with, and then this yellow charger. I paid $3.99 minus, I think, 10%. I used a coupon when I bought it. So if they're telling you anything else other than that, it's basically just they're lying, I think, because I've never seen this kit for $589 in the stores ever. But wait, there's more. How much would you pay now? Because if you notice here in the middle of the screen here, see this big old plus sign? They're throwing in for you here an extra flex volt battery, another 6 amp hour battery, which is pretty awesome here to get. So this sweetens the deal even much more than the $3.99. So it could be that that's what they're talking about here with the $5.89. I don't know. Sometimes the pricing with all of these stores, when they try to show you how much they're saving you off the theoretical max, it's really an unrealistic number. Because if we go searching on Home Depot's website here, you can see that a 6 amp hour battery is typically about $159. And it looks like they're running a deal right now. If you get two batteries here for $179, so that's typically about what the prices go. You figure about $150 for a battery. So the fact that they're throwing in this other battery really does make this a truly sweet buy. So if you were sitting on the fence about buying a new drill driver and impact driver kit, and keep in mind this is a hammer drill, this would be the time for you to hop off the fence, because what a sweet deal this is here. And this is not available in the store, just the kit itself. So getting this extra battery, I don't know if you can get this deal if you go in the store or not, or if it's online only. It does say on here, see right here, online exclusive, and then it ends today. So I'm assuming this deal is only online and not in the stores. Here you can see my own kit here. I've had this one for 3 years. I still have the original box. Okay, now let's back up a bit and go take a look at the main listing and see what else is here. It's not such a big deal on these batteries. You know, you're only saving 20% here, 22% here. Okay, now we take a look at this kit here. So they're saying they're saving 43%. The only thing about this kit, and you know, look, if you're looking to get started, it's probably an okay kit here. You've got a 10 tool kit here. The only thing about this is I believe the only brushless tool in this kit is the grinder here. None of these others are brushless here. And you're only getting 2 batteries in this kit. So if you don't have any other DeWalt batteries already, you're going to have to probably buy a few if you want to have every tool here with its own battery up and running. And I'm a little disappointed too that they only have the regular charger and not the fast charger. So what I would suggest here is, if you were going to do something, is that you get this kit and then go buy one of the battery 4-packs. But still, from the deals that they're showing today, they're not saving you a whole lot of money off the 4-packs. But they are sweetening this deal here by throwing in the extra jigsaw here. So that's a pretty decent deal. Okay, now ironically, they're not telling you which model of jigsaw they're giving you. So we really don't know. I've looked all over the description here, and they haven't been specific. All they're saying is cordless jigsaw. So anyway, this whole kit is $579 and 43% off of their alleged normal price. But we know that they've probably never sold this kit here for $1,000. Okay, so scrolling down on the next deals, here's one here that says it's 49% off here. So what I like about this, see, this is the way I like to get tools, is getting it in some sort of a tough case box. So this one here is the rolling cart. So this is the Tough System case that wheels, and it's got the telescopic handles here. So you're getting a 4-tool kit here. So you got the circular saw, you've got the impact driver, and you've got a drill driver, and you've got the angle grinder. So what they're doing here essentially is they're throwing in an extra battery. It looks like a 5 amp hour battery here. And the charger here, I wish it would be the yellow one, the fast charger, like you always hear me mention. But to get this whole kit at $399 is actually a pretty decent price. Okay, now the one good thing about the circ saw here on this particular kit, this circ saw, you can see right here, it does have the brake, which is really, really nice feature. The second you take your finger off the trigger, boom, the blade's already stopped. It's not even 1 second and it's stopped. Because my previous DeWalt, it was like 15-20 seconds, the blade's still spinning. It's like mind-boggling. So anyway, that's pretty decent. Now this particular circ saw will only cut 100 2x4s. The version that I have, that if you saw me do the tool review of, the DCD 575, mine's a flex volt circular saw, and that one will cut, like, I think they said something like 300 pieces of wood, something like that. But this is a pretty decent kit. This is the way I would like to get a kit in a tough case like that. Okay, so the next on the list that I wanted to show you here is this Tough System here from DeWalt. So right now, this is on sale right now. So if you were to walk into the store yesterday, you'd be paying probably about $155 for this. So today they have it on sale for $119. It's not bad. It's not all that great. It's okay. But if you recall, on Black Friday, we had this kit for $98. And here you can see it right here in my flyer here for Home Depot for Black Friday. This is why I tell people, don't throw out your Black Friday flyers. Save them for next year so you can see during the year, if you're shopping for tools, whether something's a real deal or not. Because here you can see in the middle of my Home Depot flyer here, they've got the Tough System here was $98 there. Okay, so anyway, flashback to today, and here it is for today only up until midnight. It's going to be $119. So this will be $119 until midnight tonight. So if you were on the fence, kind of waiting for this to go on sale, this is really the best price you're going to see until probably Black Friday again. So if you can't wait until Black Friday, then yeah, this would be the time to buy it. Okay, so now coming back up, the other one here that grabs my attention here is this here. So this is the cordless brushless 8 1/4 inch table saw kit here. So this normally comes with a flex volt battery and the better charger here, the rapid charger. So they have this deal today for $479, but they're throwing in a 9 amp hour flex volt battery that you see right here. So this battery is normally about $125 or so. So that's how they're sweetening this deal here. So they're claiming that this deal is 26% off, but I don't think we've ever seen this at $648 either. But anyway, the fact that they are sweetening the deal over what you would get in the store if you were to walk in there yesterday, you're getting an extra flex volt battery here, and you're getting a 9 amp hour as well. So I think looking through all of these, this sort of was pretty much the only stuff I really wanted to show you. There's plenty more you can look through here. I'm not going to bore you with every one of them. I just picked a sampling of some of the deals that looked more interesting here. Of course, you got some battery 4-packs here. Alright, so there is a pretty good chance that tonight I will be doing a live stream from Lowe's, because I wanted to go in there and investigate a few things there and see what our local Lowe's has in stock for that new Power Detect series that I told you guys about last week. If you remember, I uploaded that video last week that talks all about the 4 new tools that DeWalt introduced along with the new 8 amp hour battery as part of their new Power Detect series. So anyway, we hope to see you guys then on our live stream this evening, and I hope this helps you folks out. And remember, these deals that I showed you here, these are only today. They run until midnight. So good luck. There's it is right now telling us how many hours we've got left on this. So have a good one, guys, and we'll see you on the next one.